Cantera 10 Hotel Boutique. 5 stars. Stay in the heart of Morelia. Located opposite Morelia Cathedral, this impressive 17th century palace has been restored to include modern, stylish design. It offers chic, air-conditioned rooms with flat-screen cable TV and free Wi-Fi. Pleasant stay. The staff and room were great. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Mostly quiet in spite of being in the middle of the city. Big amazing room, very well furnished. Kindness and attention of the staff. Central position. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.